Justice, sa mga nagtatanong, how likely would Duterte be returned to the Philippines while the case is ongoing dyan po sa ICC?
Zero chance. Because the ICC has never granted interim relief while the case is pending to somebody who did not surrender voluntarily. There is only one case where they granted bail. Tinatawag nila interim relief, that's equivalent to our bail. But this guy surrendered. He went to the Hague and surrendered himself voluntarily. So he is not a flight risk. Pero yung iba, they had to look for those guys and arrest them and bring them to the Hague. So they are a flight risk in that by definition, no? And besides, if you are given interim relief, you are just within the zone of the International Criminal Court. Yeah, you can get out of the Netherlands. Doon ka lang. Hindi ka mababalik dito.
Oo nga. So parang nangyari dyan, false promises din yung binabanggit ng ilang mga pro-Duterte officials, no? During the rallies, saying na ibalik. Kasi kung ito po yung realidad, di ba?
Yeah, the ICC will not just return him here until the case is finished, if he is acquitted. The only way he can come back here is if he is acquitted.
Okay. Yung pong yung isa namang action na binabalak, I don't know kung nagawa na po niya, no, ni Harry Roque to apply for a political asylum. Given his background at saka yung context that he's in now, does he qualify for a political asylum?
Well, political asylum is that there must be a threat on your life, no? There is no warrant of arrest against him. This is just a subpoena by the House. And the subpoena will expire on June 30 when there's a new Congress, because everything expires in the old Congress if there's a new Congress. So all he has to do is to wait, and that subpoena is terminated. It's gone. So, and the other thing here is the Dutch authority, the Netherlands, will ask its embassy here to verify the circumstances of this fellow who is applying for asylum. And sasabihin nila, well, actually, there's no warrant of arrest. There is no threat on his life here. He just doesn't want to testify or to appear in a congressional hearing. So I don't think that will qualify for political asylum.
Pwede rin po bang balikan ng Dutch government yung kanyang mga pronouncements or actions while he was still in the cabinet of Duterte? Kasi siguro naman, this can be validated by a lot, no? Siya yung persecutor ng panahon nila eh.
Yeah, and you can go to YouTube and you will see him saying that before he became a member of the Duterte administration, he was saying during the election, 2016 election, he said, do not vote for Duterte because he's a serial killer. Ando yan eh.
Yeah.
So in fact, if he will be a counsel of Duterte in the ICC, the prosecution will produce that video. Na their own lawyer believes that Duterte is a serial killer. That's I think that is the reason why hindi na siya nasama, no?